Praise the Lord. Welcome and welcome. The festival people, beautiful people of Ghana and beyond. I always say the beauty of the world lies in the diversity of its people. And obia any our day so when him say ebana akanfo amo de ebana yenuanom agbefo so amo de and inti ene baby ayebepie mu eyeho. That what is happening here 2024 Asogli Borborbor dance festival and so na said ya wo I was street so I am mabebre na say nipa dom and ebu na way you know once in a while we need to remember who we are as people and wamo fashion wamo say wamo de kai wamo ho na wamo de atrega na mindset. They have a beautiful culture and it all can be found in their cultural dance which they call the Borborbor dance. Meaning say bia wo nim Borborbor kra na se kire and to tell a friend to keep it right here. To find out why they do this every year and also to find out the significance of what they are doing today. My crew is here. Know that we are live on LS Lifestyle TV and baby out because social media and also LS TV on Facebook, IG baby. Let's get interactive right there. It is really exciting to see all these people. I'm about Bessa and this is a competition and so it's not as a way you tell a friend to keep it right here and let's do this together. Now in the meantime now my amount for now many more and my darling, how are you doing?
I'm doing well.
Oh, you're super beautiful. You know that.
You said?
You are very beautiful, you know that.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Elom.
Oh, Elom, darling. What's the meaning of Elom?
God loves me.
Oh, my darling. I need to adopt this name, you know that. But are you from this town?
No, please.
Where are you from?
I'm from Keta.
Oh, Keta near Veta in the
Volta region.
Oh, you did that literature, Right, so we want to find out, you came for this festival, right?
Yes, please.
Why did you come all the way to see this festival?
I've been hearing of Young Festival and for some years now, I think I was a bit confused. Always I used to view it on social media, but now I think I want to witness it and experience it.
I like this vibe,
Yeah. And as I came, I think everything is going on superb as I wanted.
But do you know how to, okay. In fact,
yesterday I've been around the town, the jamming, and a whole lot of things. I really enjoy it. Yeah.
Right, but do you know how to do the Borborbor dance?
Hey.
Pame. Yes, sir. Borborbor dance, yes, yeah, tour. And yeah, this if you don't have bat, you don't.
Oh no, it's not really bad. At least mine is the sick now. You need to shake some boo-boos and bam bam kakra like that. And so if you don't know how to do that, forget about it. Yes, forget about it.
So tell people who are at home and watching us a brief thing about what's happening today.
Okay, today is a Borborbor show as part of the Asogli Festival. I wish everyone to come around next year to come and experience what I'm experiencing today. In fact, it's really fun.
It is, man. My darling, tell us your name. What's your name?
My name is Elom.
Elom. Hey, Elom Square. Elom and Elom.
Yes.
Is that why you are friends?
No, we are sisters.
Yes. But how can your parents do that? Their parents gave them, two Elom and Elom. How? I don't get it.
It's cousins, blood cousins. Yes. So
that's nice. Please. If my mom is watching me, I beg you, adopt another name for my sister. I want him to be called Efia and Edna, My darling, so tell us, what are you seeing here?
It's been superb. The organization is really great, and I think I'm learning a lot.
Is this your first time coming for this festival?
Yes, I was around last year, but I didn't really have a feel of it. I was just far away watching. Oh. But this year I said that as part of the Borborbor Festival, let me come and really enjoy Borborbor. So that's why I'm here.
Have you enjoyed so far?
Oh yes, I went around with them, and then I came.
Juma.
Oh yes, Juma de Maye Bipa.
But I'm seeing, people, shaking their butts and all that. What is the Borborbor dance, Ankasano?
What? It's a practice. It's their traditional dance, just like we also have the agbaja. So they grow up learning it. So no matter how small you are, you should be able to do it. Yes.
So yours is the agbaja.
Yes.
How do you do the agbaja? You know, and then they do this. What's the meaning of that? When they do that,
You are ending the
so
dance.
I've ended it.
Yes.
The Borborbor, how do they end it?
I don't know.
You have to go and find out. You know.
Yes, you have to ask those who are indigenous from here.
Exactly. You will have to do that. But what do you like about the people from this, community?
I think they are united.
Oh,
Yeah.
isn't it so beautiful?
It's very beautiful. It's very beautiful.
And I like that. So what festival do you celebrate?
Ogbechocho.
Oh, yours is the Hogbechocho.
Yes, so it's coming on in December. November.
November.
Yes.
You know, Lifestyle TV, GBC, we are always, with you when it comes to festivals.
Yes, yes.
We want people to know, our cultural diversities and how beautiful it is, so that people can also patronize us. But what is the essence of what you are doing now?
Right now, I think it's a way of uniting the people more, making them feel belonging, and then also creating some awareness within them that all is not lost. They can still have their fill of whatever, no matter whatever is going on in their country. Yeah.
So I understand it's going to be a competition, right?
That's what I heard, so I'm waiting to see.
So you've seen, all the groups, right?
Yes.
Which of them do you think has, the ability to win?
I enjoy I think that's the second group, those with the elderly people. Yes, the elderly people. Their tune was so enjoyable. So I was with them throughout, and then I came back with them too. So I'm rooting for them. It's a competition.
It really has to be. So, and we understand that, do you go to church?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so you know the Lot story in the Bible?
Yeah.
Okay, so Lot shouldn't turn. And he turned, and then she turned into salt.
Yeah.
Okay, so nobody was supposed to turn. So how did they find out that Lot has become a salt fountain or something?
We were told, we never asked questions about it. So probably we have to go and research about it, then we get, yes.
All right, thank you so much, my beautiful alums. Beautiful people, you are still here inside. Where the Asogli Borborbor Festival is ongoing. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where's Olo?
Yo, how is Olo?
Yo, and then now yo. Right, so are you from the town?
I'm from the town.
Oh, beautiful. So you've experienced this festival over and over times.
Young Festival every year is happening live.
Great.
Like how it's going on today.
Oh, it's beautiful. But what is unique about this year's?
This year, Young Festival, there people come plenty like something.
Oh, really?
Believe say people will come like this.
Oh, but why do you think that they came in their numbers like that?
Oh, because of the Jijokpokpo, we talk Jijokpokpo happiness.
Oh,
happiness. That's why people come plenty like that.
That's right. So we are asking today, they are going to do a competition, right? Borborbor dance.
Borborbor dance.
But what's the meaning of Borborbor?
Borborbor, they like, where I talk say Jijokpokpo be Borborbor dance and happiness. Dance for everybody, for dance and happiness in body. Happy yourself.
Happy yourself
for the
is true.
Borborbor.
I like that. But wait, if you don't have bats, can you do this Borborbor dance?
What?
If you don't have bottles, can you do Borborbor?
No, everybody can feel do Borborbor dance.
So whether
But
you
shaking,
have buttons or
shaking. Everybody, if you have button, you don't have button, you can feel shake your body. Say happy yourself.
So Borborbor dance is all about your body.
Yeah, you shake your body every place.
Really? So how do the men do the Borborbor dance?
Oh, Borborbor there, everybody can shake anyhow you like. Like how?
So I know the other one that do this one.
Yeah,
the
be
Borborbor,
Akpese.
I know the women do
That
this.
one be Akpese.
Uh-huh.
That be Akpese.
And then the men, how do you dance the Borborbor?
The way the women, lady do it for do your own.
do your button like that.
Men to the shake the button like Jijokpokpo.
I am liking that already. But so, of what importance is this thing? What they are doing today? How is it going to benefit the people here?
Oh, like it dey like culture, the culture, homo they do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why we dey do our own like this.
I
Yes.
see.
Yes.
But how did this thing came to being? I mean, the Yam Festival. How did it come to being?
Oh, we dey do a long time ago, about 20 years ago now.
Okay.
Yes.
So you celebrate it for what?
We celebrate like homecoming.
It's like homecoming.
Homecoming.
Oh,
Yes,
beautiful.
like homecoming.
That's right.
Yeah.
I like this. So you've seen the procession that left. Processed inside there. Which of the groups do you think is going to win tonight?
We invite every Borborbor group for the town, villages coming and join the Borborbor group.
Okay. So we want to find out which of the villages, which of the towns do you think is going to win?
Takla, Akpese, Akpese, all
So
coming.
Takra, Akpese, which of them will win?
You don't know unless we know how
They
you
are
do
going
the thing.
to do,
You are
yeah.
going to do. Yes,
Do you go to church?
we go to church.
Okay, so you know the Lot story in the Bible when they said you are supposed to leave this town. Nobody should turn. If you turn, you will turn into salt. Remember that story?
In that story, then okay, let's talk. Say, church matter there. When we are going because of the church we are going,
Okay.
because we have so many church in the country.
Okay, but I want to find out. Do you remember that very story? That they said Lot shouldn't turn. If they turn, they will turn into salt fountain. Like they will turn into salt. Do you remember that story?
Okay, that story small time say you go me small, but I fit talk.
remember all.
And I can't
We want to
remember.
find out how did they get to know that they are. I mean, the person turned into salt.
Okay, we have time to remember our friends for outside and town to come in to come enjoy us.
I see.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much for talking to us. And
Thank
please
you too.
enjoy
Thank
your
you too.
evening.
Thank you too.
All right, so we're still here. And in case you just joined us, it is the 2024 Asogli Borborbor Festival. And here tonight they are, organizing a competition among the communities here. We want to find out how this Borborbor thing even came to being and what is the essence of what they are doing. This is to commemorate the festival celebrated by the people of Ho and specifically this place. How do you call these people? I mean, people from this side.
These people's whole Sokode Junction Station. Yeah, here is this place is called Sokode Station.
They celebrate the Yam Festival.
Yeah, we are all whole peoples, but the people that are celebrating now is whole Bankwe. People start finished them our own last week, so now we are in whole Bankwe. Yeah.
Beautiful. Tell us your name.
My name is Cecilia Gabo.
Yeah, Gavo. Are you from this town?
Yeah, I'm from this town.
But you don't stay here.
No,
But you've experienced this.
this is the first time that I'm to visit the program.
But you've experienced this festival over and over, right?
I never experienced it before. This is the first time.
The first time.
Yes, please.
Okay, so how did you hear about it? Why did you decide to come?
Oh, I just said that they are celebrating the Yam Festival, and I said this year, 2024, I'll come and witness it, how they are celebrating this. Beautiful. So I'm enjoying it.
You are.